You need to hear this if you're a DIY enthusiast looking for hair care tips. Say hello to luscious locks with these DIY hair masks. First up, the coconut oil hair mask. Perfect for softening and taming thick, dry hair. Use it as a pre-shampoo treatment or deep conditioner. Simply apply for 10 minutes before washing or from mid-shaft to ends while conditioning. For dandruff, rub it directly on your scalp. Next, we have the milk and honey hair mask. Strengthens fine hair and prevents breakage. Mix 1 tablespoon each of organic raw honey and coconut oil. Apply to damp hair, leave for 20-30 minutes, then rinse. Got dull hair? Try the avocado and olive oil mask. Mash half an avocado with 2 tablespoons olive oil. Apply, leave for 30 minutes, and rinse thoroughly. Last but not least, the banana and olive oil mask. Rich in potassium and vitamin E, blend a ripe banana with 2 tablespoons olive oil. Apply, leave for 20-30 minutes, and wash out. Adjust quantities based on your hair length and texture. Enjoy your DIY hair adventure.